Welcome back to my channel for an ultra short Nikon episode. And just a few days before Christmas, Nikon announced that there is a technical service advisory, which is a different word for a recall for the Nikon Z9 camera. And since I have that camera, I shoot it a lot, I was immediately interested to find out whether my Z9 is affected. And the error they are reporting is, they say users of the Z9 mirrorless cameras have informed us that there are cases in which the lens release button on their Z9 cameras, when pressed, does not function as it should. And that's of course bad. I've never experienced any issue with my Z9, and you've seen me exchanging lenses a lot on my Z9 on my channel. But that's of course not a good situation. And they said also, we have discovered that parts that do not meet our quality standards were used on some Z9 cameras. Well, what can you do about that? First of all, there is a link here where you can say affected product serial numbers. I click that and then I copy pasted from my registration page at Nikon my Z9 serial number. So let's just paste it back here. Let's check the serial number and let's see what the outcome is. And it says, let me zoom in here, your camera is unaffected, repair is not necessary. And that's what you should do, because I have a lot of Z9 users on my channel. I thought I mentioned, if you have not seen it before, check it out, get your serial number and see if your camera is affected. Thanks for watching, stay safe and healthy, and of course, peace out.